Kia ora, ko Sharon Holt tōku ingoa. My name is Sharon Holt. Today I'm going to do a sentence structure about where is and the answers, some answers you can give for that. So one of the ways to say where is K here and another is K where. So I'm going to use K here today. K here te moni. Where is the cash? Where is the money? Kei roto te moni I te peke. The money is inside the bag. Kei roto te moni I te peke. Kei hea te moni. Kei waho te moni I te peke. The money is outside the bag. Kei waho te moni I te peke. Kei hea te moni. Kei mua te moni I te peke. The money is in front of the bag. Kei mua. Kei mua te moni I te peke. Kei hea te moni. Kei muri. Kei muri behind. Kei muri te moni I te peke. The money is behind the bag. Kei hea te moni. Kei runga te moni I te peke. The money is on top of the bag. And the last one. Kei hea te moni. Where is the money? Kei raro te moni I te peke. The money is under the bag. So the sentence structure for the answer is the same the whole way through, apart from the one word after kei. Kei roto, inside. Kei waho, outside. Kei mua, in front of. Kei muri, behind. Kei runga, on top of. Kei raro, below. So there we are. That's some possibilities for you. You could talk about where different things are, such as fruit or clothing items. Lots of opportunities to use more te reo Māori in the family and in the classroom. Ka kite.